गुड मॉर्निंग स्टुडंट. मागच्या लेक्चरला आपण टॉपिक 2 एनर्जी कॉन्झर्वेशन इन इलेक्ट्रिकल मशीन इज दॅट ॲन इंडक्शन मोटर अँड ट्रान्सफॉर्मर आपण बघत आलेलो आहोत की मोस्ट ऑफ load is by an induction motor in industries, and for the optimized power to consumers is given through the transformer, and from the generation to the distribution are more stages. For the desired power for the consumer, and this can gives us from the transformer, and so number of transformer having required in these stages, and hence we get more opportunity for the energy conservation in transformer, and so these two machines are important. Last time we have studied the efficient induction motor and efficient transformer. Advantage of efficient transformer is the less no load losses, easy repair, better overload capacity, better distribution efficiency, environmental caretaker. These are the advantages of efficient transformer, means that we can call the amorphous transformer. By changing its design and material, we can make efficient transformer and reduce the losses and conserve the energy. Today we are going to learn the dry type transformer. We know the traditional transformers having core and winding, means primary winding and secondary winding. These are the main parts. Except this, another parts for the power transformer: bushing, breather, Buchoz relay, diaphragms, temperature gauge. A number of parts are associated to the traditional transformer, and there is most one thing is we are using the transformer oil for the cooling of transformer. We dip the winding and core in transformer oil and increase its efficiency by the keeping the cooling, and also the increase the insulation strength of winding in the traditional transformer. But here is the main difference between the two transformer. Here is not use the oil for the cooling winding in transformer. We are using here the medium for insulation is here in this dry type transformer, and so there is two types of transformer. One is the epoxy resin impregnated, and second is the cast resin type transformer, means CRT transformer. Epoxy resin impregnated transformers means vacuum pressure impregnated transformers. that is called VPI, and these transformers sustain high temperature and exceed the high rating shell loss. Polyester sealant is applied to the winding and interchanging the pressure and vacuum. Polyester sealant is the high temperature and moisture resistant. Coils are treated in oven. Better penetration with the varnish in an advantage of this process, and this unit propound the greater resistance to corona. इपॉक्सी रेजिन इम्प्लिकेटेड ट्रान्सफॉर्मरमध्ये एक व्हॅक्यूम चंबरमध्ये प्रायमरी आणि सेकंडरी वाइंडिंग अशी बसवली जाते. त्याच्यामध्ये महत्त्वाचे 3 पार्ट असतात. एक कोर असते, इपॉक्सी रेजिन असतं आणि तिसरी वाइंडिंग असते. तर अशा प्रकारची ही वाइंडिंग व्हॅक्यूम करून त्यामध्ये कोअरमध्ये बसवले जाते आणि त्यावरती हे इपॉक्सी रेजिन बसवलं जातं. आणि म्हणून ज्या ठिकाणी मॉइश्चर्स वगैरे आहेत याला ते रेजिस्ट करतं. अशा प्रकारच्या कॉइल्स एका ओव्हनमधून पाठवले जातात आणि to reduce the moistures in this winding and it become to moisture resistance, and this is the vacuum pressure or epoxy resin impregnated transformer. Here is the given parts of transformer, means dry type transformer. Main parts of dry type transformer: lifting lugs, LV connections, HV connections, tappings, magnetic core, LV winding, connection bars, HV winding, earthing terminals and epoxy resin. Similarly, traditional transformer having also this part, and here also similar parts having dry type transformer. And second is the cast resin transformer, cast resin type dry transformer, means CRT. There are few difference between the cast resin and vacuum pressure, means epoxy resin dry transformer. Coils are involved in resin by process of the molding. Solidly cast iron is resin under a vacuum in a mold. And locked winding manufacturing process, high dielectric strength, suitable for chemical and construction material outdoor installation plants due to the is dry type transformer, and so no hazard of the fire, and handle to the overload and short circuit duration, higher capacity of overload, and also the short circuit duration is also higher. Advanced electronic control the winding process and high insulation level. This is the main important points of the cast resin type transformer, and here also gives the difference between the types of dry transformer, cast resin and vacuum types. Cast resin types having 3 windings, 3 separated windings, and it is having molded 3 molds are when we are going to see this transformer. We have seen the 3 molds of core and also the 3 different limbs of transformer winding in cast resin winding. And this is the vacuum pressure impregnated winding. These are the main difference between the types of dry transformer, means cast resin and vacuum pressure type transformer. And more times question is asked in MSBT questions exams. So what is the advantage of dry transformer? Means cast resin transformer and vacuum pressure type transformer. Here is more advantage is good safety, maintenance and pollution free, easy installation, environment friendly, fire protection system cannot be used. Means fire protection system is extremely not need for this transformer, and we can install where the fire hazard area. And this is the main advantage of dry type transformer. And this is important point between the CRI, means cast resin type transformer, and VPI, means vacuum pressure impregnated transformer, not CRI. Here the CRT transformer is needed, cast resin type transformer, means CRT, not CRI. What is the main difference between two transformers? Winding is impregnated in vacuum chambers. We can physically opening, means in CRT transformer when you open the door and you can see in the physically opening of three different types of winding, and it when is necessary we can repair, means it gives the chance for the repairing. In VPI transformer having not chance for repairing, when he winding it will burn, then completely he is need to change in the vacuum pressure impregnated transformer. Higher mechanical rigidity in VPI transformer, low mechanical rigidity. High efficiency and high regulation in CRI transformer due to the molded up winding, but vacuum pressure impregnated transformer having less efficiency and percentage regulation than the CRI. And another most important difference is there, one thing is another important is there. Cast resin transformer having 25 kVA to 1200-500 kVA rating, and vacuum pressure transformer is 5 kVA to 30 MVA rating. This is the main difference between the rating of dry type transformer. So here once again given the amorphous transformer construction, core material, metaglass alloy of amorphous transformer is the iron plus boron plus silicon plus phosphorus. Due to the its more advantage is high magnetizability, less affected by external magnetic field, better coercivity and greater electrical resistance. This point we have learned also the last lectures. Amorphous material transformer. Amorphous transformer means efficient transformer And this is the main difference between the traditional transformer, amorphous transformer, and dry type transformer. And dry transformers having also the cast resin type transformer means CRT transformer, and vacuum pressure transformer, vacuum pressure impregnated transformer means VPI transformer, that we can call also the epoxy resin impregnated transformer. And this is the main difference between the cast resin transformer and vacuum transformer. We have seen the energy conservation in electrical machine, and number of point we have studied, and here this chapter is finished. Next time we have learn about the energy conservation in electrical installation system and how we can conserve the energy in electrical installation system. The future is ours, but we need energy to get there. Thank you.